If you've connected or added your Tapo smart plug to the Amazon Alexa app, here's how to remove it. Now, as you can see, it's currently here and I named it as TV. I'm using the Tapo P100 model, but these instructions will apply to any smart plug from Tapo. Now, if I added my smart plug to the app, all you need to do is find the device under the devices section and then tap on the name of the device, and you should be able to see this settings wheel icon, so tap on it. Once you tap on it, you should see the details regarding that particular device or smart plug, and you can do a couple of other things. You can edit the name, tap on general and see the general information regarding that device. You can enable or disable it from here, but if you want to remove it completely or delete it from the app, simply tap on the trash bin, the bin icon in the top right corner, and you're going to be warned that this also removes your device from all groups and routines. If you don't want Alexa to discover this device again, starting discovery, remove it from the manufacturer's app. So confirm by tapping on delete. And it's going to be deleted from the app. So as you can see, it's no longer detected. If you want to add it again, you can simply tap on plus to add that device again. And you can check out that video on how to add a Tapo smart plug to this app down in the comment section below. I hope this was useful. If it was, don't forget to leave a comment and ask any questions and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to also leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, take care and God bless.